This is model number 173, auto selection of any available phase in a three-phase supply system. We have a three-phase supply arrangement here by three transformers, and there's got a couple of relays. We have a load here also, a lamp load, which is a single phase load. And we got certain arrangements here by some opto-isolation optocouplers. We are sensing the voltage. The arrangement is such that once we switch on, the supply will be fed from one phase. So for example, this is R phase, Y phase, and the green phase. So once the load will be supplied from here, if that phase fails, it will switch over automatically to the next phase, and if this phase also fails, it will switch over to the next phase. We also have an arrangement for an inverter. If at all a supply is available, we can feed the inverter power here, and in that case, it will also, after all the three phases fail, it can supply from the inverter. Now I'll see the operation. Now once we switch on this, now these are R, Y, B phase which is going in, and once we take out one phase, we find the lamp is still glowing and it changes over to the Y phase. Now if the Y phase also fails, it again changes over to the green phase. And supposing that phase also fails, the lamp will switch off at the moment because we haven't connected an inverter here. And if you connect an inverter, it will automatically switch over to the inverter phase. This is what is auto selection of any available phase in a three-phase system. Thank you.